Hello students, hope your preparation for JEE means January 2020 is going very fine. We are very glad to see your feedbacks about our previous videos, and most of the students have asked that sir, please give us the shortcuts of all the varieties of limits. So today we have come up with all the question shortcuts related to your limits. See, one of the questions related to series, limit series. Limit n tends to infinity 1 by 1 minus n square till n by 1 minus n square, and these are the options given. This is your JEE mains question. So see students, if you keep on applying the formula, definitely it will waste your time. How to do it in 1 second? See, when such questions are given, see the power, both the power, n power. Now the difference of the power is 1. Here it is n to the power 1, here it is n square. Difference is 1. So whenever it is difference 1, just divide their powers. That means 1 by 2, sign is minus, so minus 1 by 2. Wow. See how fast you can do it in just a second. See here, similar question here. Now in your mind, question might be going on, sir, here you did it because difference was 1, the power difference was 1. How to do the questions when there is no difference? Watch it for the next question. Here you can see that there is no difference of the powers, because here in the numerator there is no n. So for such questions, need not to worry at all. The answer will come in log. So what log? See the coefficient of the n, the last term. So answer will be log 2 over. So whenever there is no difference of the powers, your answer is going to come in log. What log? What will be the coefficient of the n, the last term. Now if you see here the square series, see it is greatest integer function. See here, definitely these questions irritate the students because greatest integer function, it's a mixture of three concepts: limits, as well as series, as well as greatest integer function. Obviously students will get irritated here. See, but how to do it in my second? See, at the last term is n square, means summation of n square. You know that summation of n square formula is 1 by 6 n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1, correct? So and your answer is done. So what is the coefficient here? 1 by 6, and the rest is what? X. 1 by 6x over. See the simplicity, how you can tackle JEE mains question in fraction of seconds. See to the next question here. The student have demanded in comment boxes how to do these variety questions. So see here, whenever there is difference of minus 1 in both numerator and denominator. What did I say? When there is difference of minus 1 in both numerator and denominator, the answer is the ratio of the powers over 6, 2. 6 by 2, 3. Done. Let's count it. Just to make a practice for you, one more question. See here also, here limit x tends to 1, x cube minus 1 by x square minus 1. The difference is minus 1. So your answer is ratio of the powers. If you solve also, you will get the same answer here. But whenever you are getting the questions in your CET and JEE mains examination, need not to waste time. Just follow it and solve the question. Now, let's go to the next question here, because see in this there is no difference there is no difference minus 1 either in the numerator or in the denominator. So see dear, I am giving you this question just to make your concept clear that when there is no minus 1, sir, then what to do? Should we go basics and waste time? No, not at all. Watch out here. Here the difference is minus 8, here difference is minus 2. Okay? So how to do it? See the ratio of the powers, 2 by 1. Now the ratio is multiplied by the ratio of the constants, 8 by 2. So what's the answer? 2 to 1, rest over is 8. Over. Let's go to the next question. This is power limits. This is power limits. So if you have to solve these questions in a traditional way, it will be solved as e to the power limit x tends to infinity x plus 2 by x plus 1, then this will be multiplied into x plus 3. So definitely it will irritate the students. Many students may not be aware also that you have to approach by this method e to the power. But keep it in mind, this limits to the power, whenever it comes power series, your answer will come e to the power, whatever it is. But what e to the power? Because these two options are there. See, look to the constants. Now, numerator constant minus the denominator constant raised to the power e. So e to the power 2 minus 1, 1. Done. Now to give you more confidence, one more question related to the limit. See here. In this question, just to give you more confidence, I have put here minus. So students, be careful. When you are writing the answer e to the power 5 minus of minus 1, so it becomes e to the power 6. See dear students, I was very glad when you all demanded the questions of limit of all the varieties, and in the previous videos also we have given some questions of limit. These were the varieties which was pending, and in your JEE mains and CET exam maximum 2 to 3 limits question can come, and I hope I have covered all the limits. Thanks for your appreciations. Hope that you people will like the channel, subscribe the channel, and give comments on the comment section box so that I can come up with next level of shortcuts, different level of shortcuts, super fast shortcuts for different topics which you demand, and to make your journey easy for JEE mains and CET. Thank you. All the best.